Check out this gorgeous creamy broccoli and Stilton soup. You can make this from scratch in just 19 minutes with the Justme soup maker. So let's see how you make it. Chop a potato into cubes and some onion and some celery. And now for the broccoli. Keep your pieces nice and small. Pile all the ingredients into the machine. And now for the stock. Select the smooth programme and just sit back for 19 minutes. Ta-da! And now for the Stilton. Throw it in the hot soup. Replace the lid and select the blend function. This will mix together the cheese with the hot soup. Absolutely gorgeous, and it was just so easy and cheap to make. Love it. And the best bit is just for me.